So let's have a look at how not to install an unvented cylinder. So first of all, this is our temperature pressure relief valve, which is connected to a copper pipe, which is the D1 pipe, which cannot be more than 600 millimeters in length. It's also connected to the tundish, which needs to be within the same room as the cylinder and should be discharged through the D2 pipe, which should be made of metal or a pipe which can take the temperature. Also, the D2 pipe must have a minimum length of 300 mm before any bends or elbows, and the pipe cannot reduce in size throughout its length. So this pressure relief valve can also be connected into the D1 pipe using the same tundish. Then we've got this plasterboard wall where they've connected the expansion vessel to, which if this got full of water could actually fall off if you've not secured it properly. As you can see, it's connected with a flexible hose, which is only allowed if the manufacturer supplies it. So this is the cold water main, which feeds the water into the cylinder, which is protected with a single check valve to stop the hot water going back up to the cold. Also, they should be supplied with a 22 mm pipe, not a 15. And finally, make sure that every pipe coming off the cylinder is insulated for at least 1 metre or before it goes into a ceiling, wall or floor.